Good evening, everyone. I'm happy to introduce our speaker, founder of Noble Transformation Hub, self taught computer scientist and artificial intelligence scientist, and superconscious expert who work with global Fortune 500 company, General Electric, and Wipro Technologies. He has been doing transformation skills development programs and research on business case studies, 21st century skills, future skills, and technology research from the last 14 years globally. He has done 400 plus business and technology trainings programs from Harvard Medical School and Harvard University, other organizations. He spent around $75,000 on his career and courses, certifications, and global project based skills. He has been doing research on computer architecture, quantum computing, artificial intelligence, blockchain, and future technologies. He believes in win win decision making and achieves the goals, objectives as per the lifelong vision. Also, he is an active athlete. He's been participating in Wipro runs and other marathons for the last 10 years. I humbly welcome Dr. Noble Arya, sir, starting this event reinforcement learning use cases organized by AI and Robotics Club. Now I request everyone to keep yourself muted and at the end of the session we will have the Q&A. Thank you sir. I hand it over to you now.
Thank you so much, everyone, and I'm really honored to share my experience and skills and knowledge with you guys because you are future leaders, and we all need to work towards uh, this mission to create new innovative technologies, applications, projects, and all these things. So, what I would request everyone to participate, and if they can like open their screen, and we want it interactive class where I want to see everyone how like let's it's not one-sided class. It is like interactive. It works both ways. So everyone is welcome to participate, and also like how we can make it better and better so that we can give 100% to our time, whosoever is in this class. So let's make it interactive class. Or if someone cannot, so then we can do is I want everybody to like maximum all the people should like open their cameras if they are not able to under certain circumstances. So, but I want everybody to interact. Then it will be a great. So we'll get a maximum out of this class. Okay. Okay. So I want to know first. I want to know everyone, like everyone whosoever is there. So I want like you can give your name, your introduction, and what is your vision of life. What you actually want to do, and then we'll move. We'll go to the actual concept of reinforcement learning. So use case. So you can like anyone can start, and then we can, or you can just take the names like whosoever start, whether you will go with alphabet order or something, chronology or whatever. So I want everybody to interact. I want introduction so that we can make it an interactive class rather than just I am speaking. Who wants to go first? Hello. Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. Good evening. Yeah.
I'm Swati Priya. I'm doing my MBA from AIML first year.
Mhm.
And my vision of my aim, I joined in this MBA, I have completed my BTech under CSE as my specialization. And later on, I worked in Wipro for 1.5 years.
Mhm.
So working there gave me an experience to achieve something and get back to corporate world back.
Mhm.
So gaining that here, and I'll be back to corporate world again.
Okay.
That's
So
my vision.
that's your vision. Okay. So yeah, that's great. Thank you.
Thank you.
Someone else?
Yeah, good evening, sir. I'm Shravya.
Then-
I'm doing
Yeah.
my MBA in DIML, same like first year. So
Mhm.
it is very nice to have an interaction session with you, sir, now.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's good. But what is your vision? Like,
My
Kalpana Chawla and all these people, like there are inspirations, Steve Jobs, Elon Musk. We all can change the world, but we need to have a bigger vision, okay? And what is your vision? That's my question.
for now, sir, I really wanted to learn whatever I could
Uh-huh.
and have a very good career ahead.
Okay, great, great.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Hi, sir.
Hi.
My name is Shrikant. I'm also from BAML. I'm in first year.
Mhm.
So my vision is to learn like all the aspects of management in my 2 years of MBA. And once I'm mature enough, I'll start up my own business.
Very nice.
Yeah.
You are an future entrepreneur, right? Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Great, great.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, sir. This is Megha. I am
Yeah,
from
hi.
MBA AIML first year.
Mhm.
So I've presently I'm doing my MBA in AIML from Boxen, and I've completed my bachelor's in computer science engineering.
Mhm.
So my vision in life is to give back to the society in a form what I have learned till now.
Great.
So from the sector, what I have learned, in whichever way I can contribute, I want to contribute towards the society.
Great, 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 great. Thank you. Thank you.
Hi, sir. This is
Hi.
Megha Mangal. Yeah,
Hi.
I'm AIML second year student. So I'm basically more of a technical person, and I want to become a data scientist after my
Great,
MBA.
great, great.
So my main, yeah.
That's
So my main
beautiful.
interest is to apply whatever I have learned, automate things that would be helpful to the society, create such products and services that will give some sense to the world.
Great.
That is-
That's beautiful. Beautiful. You are very clear. We see, first thing is in life is we need to have clarity. Our goal should be single pointed focus. It should be one goal, and we should pursue and put all the energy, ferocity. Ferocity means step to step process, and we should enjoy the step to step process to achieve that goal. That is why, see, doing any course, anything will not make sense until unless we are fixed on our goal, but flexible on reaching to the goal. We should not be rigid while we are reaching to the goal. We should be flexible, okay, but fixed on goal. Okay, we should be very clear. If somebody asks when we are like in the middle of the night, what do you want to do? I should know my vision statement, that what I am going to do, and universe will work for you guys, and people will help you. Okay, Thank you so much. Yeah, let's do it fast, and then we'll go to the class. It will be very interesting. See, we want to know each other a little bit, and then it will be better to have a beautiful class, and then we can understand the concepts. If somebody has a problem, like they cannot speak on live camera, they can speak on speaker, still they are okay, no issues. So there would be certain circumstances, okay? So that's okay. But let's who is the next person? Let's give everybody chance. Everybody, sometimes diamonds are hidden very deep in the, so nobody knows. No, they don't talk and they don't have exposure. So we have to craft them. Okay, we have to give them confidence so that they can shine. So so who is next? Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Hi, sir. First of all, welcome to the session. I'm Pranay Kumar. I'm doing my MBA in AI/ML second year. My final goal is to become a data analyst, sir.
Very nice. Very nice.
I want to pursue my education after this MBA. I want to do MS in data science.
Very nice.
Where I want to get deep knowledge in this data science and data analytics field. And my final goal is to become a data analyst.
Great. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Who is next? This is all, or there are people still they want to speak? So everybody, we have to give everybody chance. So we should not have any everybody. So is it okay? Are all the people ready to speak, or is it? I just want to know. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir. I'm Vishal K.
Hi, Vishal.
Right now, I'm in my first year of BI/ML. The vision of my life is like I want to connect this artificial intelligence with some of the industries like biomedical or food industry. So we can see something new in our future, because the future is completely dependent on AI and all.
Great.
This is one of my vision in my future.
Yeah, it is going to be 16 trillion US dollar industry, artificial intelligence in 2030. Okay, so if India, I was doing research, China is way ahead. America is number one, China and Europe. Okay, India is doing good, but we are not there. If we really want to become superpower, we need to create AI startups.
Yes, sir.
Okay? If we are not right now doing anything for that, and data is the fuel for AI, and right now our country has like world's second largest population, and we have enough data, but we are not using. We are not starting. We don't have startups. In China, they have 100 unicorn startups on AI. But in India, how many startups are there?
68.
Yeah, so this is beautiful. And, right now, I just want to unlock your mind first, and then we'll go into concept. Then you guys are better than me to learn AI and data science and all. But let's right now open our minds, okay? And who is next?
Hi, sir.
Hi.
My name is Pratyusha Pujari. I'm from first year MBA BA/AML, and I want to learn AI and data science, and all the technologies so that I can get a job and work for an organization and get into a leadership roles. That is like my vision right now. Mission, not vision, mission.
Mission. Okay. So, so we need to first thing from tomorrow. You guys just write your mission and vision of your life, like whatever it is, crazy, like unimaginable. And after 5 years, 10 years, you will see there, because you will work every day towards that mission and vision. And that's very important. And with principles, code of conduct, principles, mission, and vision. Okay. They are very important. Okay. Thank you. Who is next? I have a different way of teaching. Okay. So I will take it differently. So my role model is Steve Jobs, Elon Musk, and I want to go beyond that. It's not that they are my standard role models, but I want to go beyond them because I'm different, and everybody is different. And you can also go beyond everybody else. It is just you need to believe in yourself. Okay. I think. Okay. Shall we start?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Whenever you have any questions, doubts, you can ask me in the Q&A session. Okay. We'll start. Let me give you a little introduction about myself. I have done, right now, today I am in front of you. There was a time when I didn't even have 1,000 rupee to learn computer science, the basic course. But I took a challenge. I said, no, enough is enough. I have to achieve the goal. I have a vision. I wanted to pursue that. And I did so much of hard work, and I worked on it. I worked with GE, worked with Wipro Technologies, and I have started my own startup, and I'm working towards that vision, how to serve humanity in artificial intelligence, like to have a company who can have around $5 trillion US. We can contribute from India to the world through AI and quantum computing and other technologies. Okay. So let's go to the main topic, which is reinforcement learning. Okay, let me give you a simple example. What is reinforcement learning? Before that, let's understand what is algorithm. Algorithm is nothing. You guys know how to make a cup of coffee? Okay, you guys know that? Okay, write down in the comment section, no, or okay, everybody. I want everybody to participate. So I want write down in the comment section, no, you know it. So I would be knowing that you are engaging, you are understanding, you are listening. Okay. I'm not getting responses. Okay. So whenever I'm asking something, kindly respond, so that it would be interactive session. And I want to give 1,000% to you guys, so that your time is valuable, so that you get benefit out of whatever we share. And if you have any doubt, any question, you can ask me in the Q&A. Okay. So when we make a cup of coffee, there are steps, step to step. We need to have a pan, we need to have cup, we need to have coffee, we need to have gas, we need to have so we need to have all these things. Okay. Similarly, algorithm is same. It is no rocket science. A lot of people are afraid, oh, this is computer science is very complex, this, that. No, it is very simple. It is basic. Because we have not understood the basic and simplicity of life, we think it is complex and stuff. We have to use first principles. Like if we have a big problem, you need to make it into pieces, fundamental pieces, and understand it from there. Algorithm is same thing. So you need to have step-to-step approach. You should know when to use which step, and you cannot put coffee when you're making a cup of coffee. You need to put water, you need to put coffee, and then you need to add milk, then you need to add sugar, okay, then you need to boil it, and then you need to then there would be a cup of coffee. The inputs are the ingredients and output is the cup of coffee. Same concept is applied like when we do reinforcement learning is what? It is nothing. It is just when I am making cup of coffee, in return, if my cup of coffee is good, like if we go to CCD or any cafe, so what will happen that if we make a good cup of coffee and customer likes it, so he will give a tip, like he will give money, like he will give you a 10 rupee or 50 rupees extra, like as a whosoever is there serving them. So if your cup of coffee is not good, so you will get a reward. He will say, I will not pay you for this cup of coffee. So you will get a positive reward. Also, you will get a negative reward. So this is all about, like, the basic concept of reinforcement learning is this, okay? It is there. AI is nothing. It is just mimicking the human behavior, human intelligence. Human is this is AI, and we have made algorithms, applications to mimic the intelligence and the environment around in our society. In different society is very complex, right? Problems are very complex. We need to understand through data, and then we mimic the intelligence through AI applications, systemizing, doing modeling, doing all kind of techniques, okay? And reinforcement learning is giving a return gift. Like if AI agent is given a reward when he does a good job, so he will get a negative or positive reward. And based on that reward, he will try to learn new ways to improve the steps, okay? And this is what happens when we play with children. So if they do good job, we give them a toffee or some reward, so some gift. So they again go and get excited. Like this is applied in games also. Like you can see games, when we play games, we are addicted. All children are addicted to games. Why? Because there is reinforcement learning, because they get rewards instantly, instant gratification. You know why I asked you guys, what is your vision? So there are two kind of people in this world. One who believe in instant gratification, and there are people who believe in long-term gratification, like who have long-term vision. Like all the people who have achieved something in life, they always work for the vision, 20, 50, 30, 100 years of vision, okay? And there is an instant gratification. Human nature is such, we want rewards right now. I want something right now. I want money right now. I want these clothes right now. I want basics is okay. But so this intelligence is applied in AI agent, in reinforcement learning. Okay, we'll go to the slide and we'll understand what are the fields, where we can apply it, what projects we can make out of it, and where we can start doing research, and how we can channelize our career with AI. And like we need to understand first AI broadly, and then we go deep into one single project, a specific 1 to 2 problems. Okay, so let me share my mind map, and then we'll go deep into it and explain the pointers. Okay. So I have a right now, right? Yeah. Are you able to see my mind map?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right. So reinforcement learning is like, it is what I said in simple terms. Agents are trained on a reward and punishment mechanism. Okay. So when they are trained on these things. Okay. You give them reward or you give them punishment. Okay. Punishment is negative, like you will, like I gave the coffee example. Okay. The agent is rewarded for correct moves and punishments for the wrong ones. Okay. Then in doing so, the agent tries to minimize wrong moves and maximize the right ones. So this is, you can take a screenshot of it or if you know about it, that's great. If you don't, so you can take a screenshot. And if you want, I can give you the mind map in PDF, you can take it. So environment, there's an environment. As I said, we all see, you need to consider AI as environment. Like we have in environment, what we have ecology, we have environment, we have oxygen, we have all these components. We have hospital, we have roads, we have legal department. All these things are there, and it makes an environment. Okay. So, and when reinforcement is applied, it is applied for specific problems. Okay. So when program is designed, so environment is there. When agent does the action for any program, it could be any program, you can develop a program. When he does an action in the environment, he gets the reward, or he gets an reward in terms of negative or positive, interprets the state. Again, he will start learning from this process like we do. So if we do some mistake where we have huge loss, we'll not repeat it again. Okay. So if we do, we'll again get punishment. Okay. So just a minute.